All right. So this is how I made $562 in 1 hour and 22 minutes. Right here is the proof, 562.04. And you can see right here, duration is 1 hour, 21 minutes. Actually, the longest trade that I've had. Surprisingly, funded, yeah. I think I've had like a 3-hour, 6-hour trade or something like that. I've had a crazy one during a bank holiday, which is why I don't trade bank holidays. We had Labor Day, September 1st. Didn't trade that. But yeah, this setup was pretty cool. All right. Going into the higher time frame. Right here. Everything was looking pretty short. We created new fair value gaps right here. And rebalance here. And there were gaps here to be filled. So, drop down to the 1 hour. I saw that even more fair value gap confirmation. We had SMT at the highs, rebalancing right into this gap right here. As you can see, nice rebalance, SMT created. So it was looking pretty nice for shorts. But something that I learned today was that at the start, like as soon as market opened, right here 11:30, we had a strong push like up, like not much first, but then we had a push up. There was a trade long, there was a long, like somewhere here there was a long, but my confirmation was not there, and so I didn't enter. And so yeah, saved myself from a loss, which is why, like if the trade is there, but it's not really like the best trade. I don't exactly trade, I can't exactly remember what the trade was, but it was a long somewhere here. But like if the trade, like for example, this long, it wasn't completely A+. I didn't completely feel it was an A+ because that rebalance was not very clean. That target was not very clean. And so when the trade, like when you don't feel like the trade, okay, this shit is clean, this is really, really clean, then it's not an A+ setup. You just should not take it, to be honest. Only take A+ setups. Literally just only take A+ setups and you will be rewarded. Like currently I'm like, yeah, I mean, I'm on a crazy win streak right now, but you literally just only be taking A+ setups. Anyways, 15-minute rebalance back into this, SMT created, as I already told you guys. Everything was looking clean. 5-minute gap was also here. Nice tap in, nice confirmation, nice flip from that. And so it was clear sell model right there. Towards these draws. This was, I believe, it was London lows, or was it New York? It was New York, I think, actually. I think it was New York draws that I was targeting. Yeah. Yeah, right there, New York lows. Entered after right over here, so I actually entered here. And then at first, market was chopping around. Unfortunately, sometimes that happens. And we were in this trade for so long. It was so long. Oh my days. It was the longest trade I've had funded. 1 hour, 21 minutes. I went break even like over here. I think I went break even at some like 15-minute gap that was here. Yeah. Basically, I went break even like right there. Just because, it's very strong confirmations going lower. Break even, I went basically like 50% to TP or something like that. Yeah. And then the rest of it was just waiting, literally just waiting. Not like, for example, just because we're over here, I was up like $500. I was up like $480 over here. I could have easily just cashed out. No, that is not actually, that's emotional trading. That is not successful trading. That's just emotional trading. You cannot do that. And so I was just waiting. Eventually the draw got hit. And it was a pretty nice, like clean hit as well. It wasn't like we got edged and then it went up and then went back down. No, it was like clean as day. So that was the trade recap. Hope you all enjoyed. You can message me on Instagram. Links below if you have any questions. And we have one more win to forgot what I was gonna say. Never mind. Yeah.